Good morning, good morning. Breakfast tayo, guys. Breakfast mood. Sinisipon na ako sa lamig. Iba na yung boses ko. Masarap ng breakfast ko, guys. As usual, bread. Brown bread at saka egg. Good morning mga kabagis. Shout out kay Marisa Grace Emily Calpes at saka kay Chiri Castillo. Breakfast, guys. Good morning, good morning.